Now let's learn our 8 times table. 0 times 8 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16, because if we show two groups of 8 counters, we get 16 counters altogether. 3 times 8 is 24, because if we show three groups of 8, that gives us 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. And 12 times 8 is 96.